Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to share my method on how I deep clean my brushes and sponges. It's very important to clean your tools to remove any makeup buildup and prevent any bacteria buildup that could be on them. This is my personal brush collection that I've built up over several years. I have a separate brush collection or brush kit for clients. So I like to use Dr. Bronner's Pure Castile soap to clean my sponges and brushes. This really gives me a deep clean. It's affordable. And I like to clean my tools until I see no more product coming out. And this is a Real Technique sponge. So you want to make sure you get the sponge completely wet, soaking wet first, and then add the soap and just work it through the sponge. And here it is completely clean. You just set it out to dry. You want to give your sponges time to dry. This is a Real Techniques foundation buffer brush. So unlike the sponge, the brushes you're not gonna put completely under the water. You're gonna let the water kind of run down your bristles. You don't want to put too much water on your brush. You don't want to disrupt the glue in your brush. So that is going to completely ruin your brush. And then I try to clean the brushes in the direction that I use them. So for foundation, you know, doing circular motions, eyeshadows back and forth, eyeshadow brush back and forth. So just try to be gentle, take your time. These clips are sped up, so I'm not that aggressive like it is in these clips. This is a Morphe, I don't know what brush this is. I don't know the number. And now I'm gonna do the same thing I did with this brush like I did with the foundation brush. And I try to conserve water as much as possible when cleaning my brushes. And some other cleaners I like to use if I don't have water in this soap is the MAC brush cleaner and also the Cinema Secrets brush cleaner. I've used those in the past and I really like those. You see me like draining a little of the water from the bristles of the brush and kind of smoothing it out back in the direction it was. Here's all my sponges clean. You want to make sure they are set out and got air to them, because if you don't, they can get moldy. And then this is how I lay all my brushes out flat like this. And with this soap, it takes, I would say, about a day. Sometimes I leave them out for 2 days. I just lay them flat like this, and I've never had a problem with doing this method with my brushes. I've done it for years. And then also my last step to finishing cleaning my brushes is I wipe down the handles really good with isopropyl alcohol. And then they're ready for use. Please like, comment, and share this video. And let me know in the comments, how do you like to clean your makeup brushes? And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.